Improving nutrition is an essential part of maintaining good health and well-being. Here are some tips to help you improve your nutrition. Focus on whole foods. Whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to function properly. Incorporate more fruits and vegetables. Aim to eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables each day. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can help support overall health. Choose lean proteins. Lean proteins such as fish, chicken, turkey, beans, and legumes are excellent sources of protein without the added saturated fat found in red meats. Limit processed foods and added sugars. Processed foods and added sugars can contribute to weight gain and a host of health problems. Opt for whole, minimally processed foods instead. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is important for overall health and can help you feel fuller, leading to better food choices. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to hunger cues and eat slowly, savoring each bite. This can help prevent overeating and promote healthier food choices. Plan ahead. Meal planning and prepping can help you make healthier food choices and avoid unhealthy snacks or fast food. Seek professional advice. If you're struggling to improve your nutrition, consider seeking the advice of a registered dietitian who can help you create a personalized nutrition plan. For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.